Are you looking for a perfect getaway spot in South Goa? Then here is a place.
At Crescendo Resort, dine by the riverside with the view you'll never forget.
Or enjoy a peaceful meal at a cozy Kulagar sitting area. For indoors, they got fully air-conditioned dining area too. Planning to stay for a night? The rooms are super comfy and easy on pockets. Take a dip in a big beautiful pool, perfect for chill day out. It's a day out with family, friends, or just some peaceful time away from city chaos. We are tucked away in Karali Paroda, far from the city noise. Throw a party at an open air or banquet hall, or hosting a cozy birthday dinner, then at the restaurant. Crescendo Resort, simple, scenic, and full of good vibes. See you here.